In addition to the coronavirus, people are still seeing their doctors for things they've always seen them for, like heart conditions. And there are several types of heart disorders. One common one that people might not fully understand is a heart murmur.
Heart murmurs can be seen in all ages. Oftentimes, you can have something called a childhood murmur, which is an innocent murmur, which usually goes away as you get older. But you can also have congenital murmurs secondary to underlying heart defects. So the fact is murmurs can present at any time in life. For our adult population, though, when a murmur does present that wasn't there previously, it's important that further evaluation is taken.
So a heart murmur can indicate a problem with either too tight or too leaky heart valves. That could cause shortness of breath, lightheadedness, or chest pain. So if you experience any of those, talk to your doctor right away.